not really want to do a lot of filming last night. I mean, nice hotel room, but just the situation was not a fun one. So we're gonna get back up to our trailer. So this World, what is this place called? Got a business card here. So Worldwide Equipment, 945 Dandino Drive, Lexington, Kentucky. Very pleasant, very courteous. Respect, you know, and they just basically treated me like, you know, like they valued me being there. Seemed to be doing a very good job of doing repairs. You know, I didn't see them do anything to my truck, but I was watching every once in a while the way they were working on other vehicles.
In 0.2 miles, turn right on Mendano Boulevard and then turn left in 730 feet.
You know, just seemed to be, you know, like I said, very attentive, very knowledgeable.
800 feet, turn right on Mendano Boulevard and then turn left in 730.
You know, just seemed like very professional, you know, people doing their jobs. You know, talked to a couple of them, you know, in a more personal fashion as well. Some pretty decent people from what I could see, you know, my personal experience. So very glad that the truck got fixed here. Like I said, the only problem was getting the thing paid for. That's what put me into the hotel. Alrighty. So now I got my cruise control back. I got everything working properly. The couple of parts that needed to be replaced were replaced with newer, non-broken, non-damaged, non-faulty parts. So I absolutely zero problem with that. Let's see here. So like I said, we are leaving Lexington here. We're going to head a little bit north, up I-70, at least I-75 we're heading north on. Yeah, we're heading up to Georgetown. Like I said, we're going to stop in at the Pilot up there. Then we will, if they haven't delivered me a load by then, we'll just sit there and wait. The Lyft driver and the Uber driver I've had, both of them very pleasant guys, you know. And the people there at the La Quinta that I stayed at, you know, very nice ladies. Room was well looked after and maintained. So overall, you know, like I said, you know, despite the fact that I had to go to a hotel, the entire experience has been pretty decent. Like I said, it's just getting the truck paid for. That was the only thing. And since I'm a company driver, that was out of my hands. Totally out of my hands. So, you know, I can only sit back and wait for it. You know, that's the long and short of it. So, but it's over. The truck is fixed. The ABS sensor, that was a problem, fixed. The radar is fixed. There's some codes in the transmission that need to be taken care of. All that stuff was done. All right. And I just got a message a couple minutes ago that my truck needs to go in for a PM, which I kind of figured it was coming up on that anyway. We're at 91,850 miles. So, you know, I kind of figured it was getting close to that anyway. So we'll have to look to see when we'll get that done, hopefully this next weekend. Now, if I have to sit at a, you know, to make a delivery next Monday, if I have to sit, you know, over the weekend, we'll find some place to get that done. Love's TA, Boss Shop, you know, one of those. Wow, fun. I mean, I guess I, you know, I'm not frustrated that I had to, you know, be off for an entire day. You know, that wasn't the problem. I mean, I had already resigned myself to the fact that the day was going to be lost. So that, you know, that wasn't a big deal. I mean, I'd rather have a working truck than, you know, than break down somewhere because the truck wasn't properly being maintained. I didn't even watch all of it. So basically it was YouTube, iTunes, my Amazon Prime video, editing video, talking on the phone, and sleeping. Now that's... So a whole lot of excitement. Now, the one thing that I wish I could have done at the La Quinta, which I could not do, I did not have any clean swim trunks with me, so I couldn't go to the pool. I would have gone down to that pool and, you know, enjoyed a nice swim for, you know, 30, 40 minutes. I would have really enjoyed that, but had I known. Okay, Cherry Blossom Way, Georgetown. drive-wise says we got inspection site 2 miles up, but we're getting off before that. So it's not even on my route, but Qualcomm's gonna say, hey, it's there anyway. And I'm not required to go to it before I get off at this exit, so there you go. Okay, we got a Pilot with a Wendy's, and we got a Pilot with a McDonald's. We're gonna go to the Wendy's side because I actually like this Pilot just a little bit better. It's just a matter of how they maintain the showers and the building itself. Now I think the other one is a little easier to get in and out of, personally, but like I said, the way the staff has maintained this particular store versus that one makes me want to come to this one more. There, we're still waiting for a load. Still waiting for a load. So let's go park it. All right. We're gonna go park around the back side here. Because I enjoy a little bit of a walk every, as much exercise as I can. That's number one. Now these guys are parked down here for, I don't know, but I should just come in that way, but whatever. Oh, I thought that was empty. Oh well. I thought that lane, that spot was empty. I guess somebody filled it in when I was when I came in. All right, well, whatever. We'll just circle around. All right. Yeah, we'll circle around. We'll park right in this spot right here on the, right next to this Wellborn guy. It gives you a tour of the parking lot. You're welcome. good enough. I do enough complaining all the rest of the time, so we'll just accept this as it is. Alrighty, hours of service. Change, off duty. There we go.